Looking for local food? Kahului? Come to Tante's Island Cuisine restaurant. Welcome to Tante's Island Cuisine, best local food. Kahului. We are centrally located in Kahului, only 1 mile from the airport. You will find us in the Maui Seaside Hotel, which is on the beach. In a nice air-conditioned restaurant for your dining pleasure. We promise to serve you a healthy, tasty, delicious meal with a big smile. Excellent service, in an environment that is local Hawaiian, full of the aloha spirit and as serene as the beauty of Maui that surrounds us. We promise to accommodate you in an elegant atmosphere that is also fun and entertaining. Offer you good value with meals full of new flavors that you will dream about, yet familiar tastes that will make you remember. Try the award-winning shrimp sari, it's absolutely delicious. Chef Tante Urban has many award-winning local Hawaiian and Filipino dishes. Visit us in the daytime for a healthy lunch where you can also get business done in a casual environment. Full-service bar is open all day in the afternoon. Come for our beautiful beer, wine, cocktails and enjoy our tasty appetizers too. In the evening, join us for a romantic dinner or perhaps enjoy our local cuisine as your final meal on Maui before your flight. It may just be the best local food you have had while in Kahului, Maui, where both residents and visitors enjoy local cuisine.
If you enjoy local Hawaiian and Filipino cuisine, then check out Chef Tante's Island Cuisine.